Volcano sheep meat is purplish red, coarse fibered, and marbled. Ideal for slow cooking. The whole carcass is cut into balanced cuts. The master stock, used repeatedly, is brought to a boil. Fresh, unwashed mutton goes straight in. Family spice bags, sauce, and seasonings follow. Braise on high. When steam rises, drop to medium. Braising is a standard method for cooking meat. Sustained heat renders the meat tender while retaining some broth to preserve nutrients. After 40 minutes, the meat is moved to a smaller pot. Soy sauce is poured in, and the pieces are turned to color. Mutton is warming by nature. Braised mutton is a centerpiece dish. Soft, tender texture, savory and salty flavor, and nourishing effects make it winter's first choice.